don't get how you've done this. It's scary how you can... I just want to know how. I want to know how.
So I'm a professional magician and mentalist.
Trading is hard. Nothing worth having is easy.
The first week, I revenge traded pretty hard and almost blew the account.
So today in the Blakey Trades podcast, we have got James, who has been trading with us for a little while. I'm going to go through and ask James about his journey. So we'll dive straight in. James, how's it going, mate?
Yeah, really well. Thank you, Blakey. How's it going?
Good. So we obviously met because of your profession.
Right.
Tell the audience what do you do for a living?
So I'm a professional magician and mentalist, working here in Dubai, doing like corporate events, yacht parties, villa parties.
And you are very good, by the way.
Thank you.
So how long have you been in Dubai?
I moved here in September 21, just after the pandemic. So I'm 5.5 years now.
5.5 years.
Yeah.
And obviously, how are you finding Dubai? Everything else, you love it?
Love it. Love the city, love the vibe, love the place.
Love the energy.
Yeah. Completely different energy from England.
Yeah, it's huge.
Entirely.
So let's talk about trading. How long have you been trading with Blakey Trades?
Just over a month now.
Just over a month?
Yeah.
And let's go back to the beginning. Did you know anything about trading before you started?
Zero.
How did you get into community?
So I met Scott, your operations manager. We met on a yacht party. I was performing on a yacht party about a year ago, and he messaged me saying, "Hi, I'm into community. I want to talk to you about it." So he was the first one to introduce me to it, and I've never in a million years thought I would get into it. No, never.
So when you first started, what was your first thoughts? How did you find it? How did you find the information? I want you to tell me. These podcasts are like, get out there. I want people to meet the people that are in the community, find out about them and find out about their journey. So what did you think when you first started? Was it a lot to take in? Tell me about how you felt when you first started.
I thought it would be a lot more overwhelming than it was. I've got to say, I took it quite gently to begin with.
You just watched for a while.
I watched, exactly. I just watched the groups, watched the signal groups, and just saw the trades going in, and just saw, I'd see the trade going in, and I'd just watch where it went, and just so many of them were just hitting the TPs, and then I was like, right, I'll put in 100 quid. So I put in 100 quid, played with that a little bit, went up a little, went up, went down, just learning lot sizes, take profits, the discipline, which is, I know it's a huge thing for you.
Yeah, massive. So on that note, do you join the Zoom calls that we offer?
Yeah. I always catch up on them. If I don't see him on a Monday morning, I'll just
be back on.
Mate, it's like a locker room speech.
Yeah.
It gets me pumped.
Yeah, I do
it
like
really does. It gets me pumped.
So the the Sunday Zoom call that I do is all based on mindset, because 80% of trading is mindset. 20% skill, 80% mindset. Trading will test every single emotion that it can test in your space. So why I plug so much into those calls on a Sunday is because it sets everybody up fresh for the week. Reminds them about their discipline, why they're actually here. So why are you here? What is your goal in this space? What drove you towards it to try it? Just because Scott said it, or did you think, what else?
I thought, obviously magic is my main form of finance, but I thought it would be wonderful to have not a side hustle so much. I would like this to become my main source of income eventually, and have magic as something that I can kind of opt in and do as much as I want to. Okay,
and a month down the line, do you think that's possible?
100%, but not this month, next month, in a year, 2 years. Yeah. I'm aiming for financial freedom.
Perfect, I love that.
Yeah.
So let's talk a little bit about what happened. How did your first week go?
The first week, I revenge traded pretty hard and almost blew the account.
Okay, which is common. I always say to people, 80% of people do that. 80% of people blow at least one account.
Right.
But it's about what you take from that, and what did you do wrong? What did you do wrong? And I always say accountability in trading is the main thing. Don't look for anyone to blame. You've got the tools there. What did you do wrong? So you were revenge trading. Was there anything else that you think you did wrong, or did you just not understand things? I want to understand what went wrong. I know we spoke a little bit, but for the sake of the podcast.
Of course. Sometimes I'll be just looking at it going, oh, I bet that's going to go up. And I'll just jump in there. That's such a dumb thing to do. That's gambling.
Yes, of course.
That's gambling. It's ridiculous.
So people say trading's gambling. No, it's a form of gambling. But I always say, I play a lot of poker. I play a lot of casino. And I look at it as, trading is like poker. It requires skill.
Yeah.
And there's a reason why the same players are the best players in the world and on the final tables of every poker tournament. But it's gambling. Whereas you go and play roulette, it's gambling, it's luck, it's pure luck.
Yeah.
So I look at as trading as more towards the poker side. It's skill. Yeah, people say it's a form of gambling because you can lose money, but if you disciplined and provide, put into practice what we provide, then there's an art of skill, and we do teach a lot as well. So you have been coming to the training hub, which is here. How have you found the training hubs helped?
Really, it's so interesting just being around a group of traders who are going from vastly experience to the same as me, like 1 month in, and just seeing the mistakes people are making, talking it through with everyone, and seeing people's progress as well. Like speaking with Sophia today, who's 1 year in, and
just helps you know that you're on the right path.
Yeah, 100%.
So we're doing like chart markups every day now. Every day in the hub, I will mark my charts up so people can see what I'm looking for, areas of interest, and as you know, James, they bounce off what I'm saying quite regularly.
Yeah.
So let's fast forward to a month. How are you doing now?
Well, the last 2 days have been awesome, like really good. Yesterday, we spoke about it earlier, but I'll say what happened. So I put in 3 layers, and it flew down, and I was like, oh, normally when it hits the stop loss, I would go out, but it was something you said. You just gave a little thing earlier in the messages, in the members group. You just said, there's a strong line on 87. I'm looking for that, and it's going to bounce up from there. So because I use a small lot size, which I always do.
Yeah, so your risk management.
Exactly, yeah, just risk management. I was like, I'm just going to let this run. I'm going to see what happens to it. And it just bounced off that line.
When you're saying that, you weren't gambling. You was like, I'm going to see how it reacts off this line.
Yeah, I looked at it, and then it bounced up, and then as it hit 87, it just started going up. So then I put a lot in there and one more, and then that flew up, and I was way up on that day.
Yeah, when you say a lot, it wasn't a full lot size.
No, 0.05. I put at the bottom.
Yeah, really good. And you made good profit on that. I know you sent me it. You made good profit.
Yeah.
So you believe that you're just picking stuff up, learning each day. And that's what it's about. As we've spoke about, I take a lot of time into people that reach out to me or are close to me. This thing takes time.
Yeah.
And I'll openly say, trading is hard. Nothing worth having is easy. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Can you earn money in this space? Yes. Can you lose money in this space? Yes. But somebody like James, who we have known each other, a couple months, 2 months?
Yeah.
Around that time, I have not told him to say anything. He's a good guy, and you can clearly see that this can work, but it takes a little bit of work from you too.
100%, yeah. You put up a thing about what books you were reading, so I bought the technical analysis book. So I showed you, I'm literally like writing like I'm like a coursework in school.
That's it. I actually said to somebody that came into the hub earlier, look at this as, imagine you wanted to be a brain surgeon. You would have to go to university and put 4 or 5 years into tuition fees, into learning for your eventual skill.
Yeah.
Look at it the same way. If you blow an account, it's a tuition fee.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't want you to blow too much, and I don't want you to blow accounts. But look at these first couple of year, whatever you wanted to say, as it's your tuition fee because you're learning a new skill.
Yeah.
And we're giving you all the tools. Yes, we give signals that are good.
Yeah.
But we also give you a lot more that we want you to become where you're calling trades out we're sending before we're sending them.
Yeah.
Where you're saying, I think we're going to buy here. And then the signal's like a confirmation. Same as we use other things like your chart analysis, marking your charts up, indicators, everything that we give you to use, we want you to build your own confidence where you know where the market's going. Or, okay, nobody ever knows, but you can have a good idea.
Yeah.
So what do you see is going to happen? This is what I always say to people. Where do you see yourself in this space, going off what you've seen from the community so far, from the journey that you've been on? Where do you see yourself in a year's time in this space? What would be, okay, because you're good at magic and stuff, if you can look into the future, where would you like to see yourself, James, in this space in a year's time? What would be a success for you?
A success for me in a year's time would be, say, £1,000 a week. If I could be, I'm not aiming for $5,000 a week because I would have to gamble to do that. And I said to someone in the hub earlier today, my aim is to not blow an account. And he said, you're going to learn a lot from blowing an account. And I was like, yeah, I get that.
So what you just said there, sorry to butt in, but what you just said there is brilliant. Because people come into this space and automatically when they come in, how much can I earn? How much can I earn? What? If I put this much in, how much can I earn? I'm like, mate, you're doing it about the wrong way. I want to know how you can survive.
Yeah.
So the first rule of trading is to survive. That is because when you're learning, so many people blow accounts. When a person says to me, "Oh, I think I'm doing something wrong. I've been with you 6 weeks and I'm only 50 quid up," I'm like, "Well done. That's brilliant."
Yeah.
Like, if you were saying that after 3 years, then I'd be concerned. But don't come into the space thinking you're going to get rich quick, because that's when you don't.
Yeah, absolutely.
Can you have big wins? Yeah, but you've probably gambled a little bit, or you've maybe got lucky, held a trade.
Yeah.
First of all, I learned the hard way. I'm now a very, very profitable trader, but I learned the hard way. I'm not an expert. I'm not a pro, but I've learned how to make money from the signals on my own chart analysis. You see me doing it every day. But I still know I'm like 10% of where I can be.
Right.
So I'm looking myself in a year. I'm like, okay, I want to be here. I want to be there. I want to be doing these. So you're right in what you're saying. Like, just survive right now and keep taking little things. So if you came to the hub today, think, I learned one new thing today.
Yeah. About layering. Yeah.
That's about layering.
Yeah.
And then next time, just think, okay, I just want to take one thing away from it. Next Zoom call, I want one thing.
Yeah.
1% a day is massive.
Yeah.
Not in trading volume, I'm on about in taking things in. So taking 1% a day. Okay, I'm 1% better than I was yesterday.
Yeah.
I'm 1%. And then in a year's time, you're 365% better than where you were.
Yeah.
Which is huge.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you for sharing your journey. I will be getting you back on in probably 3 months.
Great.
And I'm going to get you back on. And so right now, are you profitable?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it won't be a lot. You've been up, you've been down. But listen, you're on the journey now. You said you put 100 in. What does your account sit at now?
760 today.
Well done. Well done.
Yeah.
And listen, we're going to check back in 3 months. But I'm sorry, I cannot not do anything like this. So James is going to perform a bit of magic for me. He blows me away every single time he performs magic for me, and I want to share it with you. So James, what are we doing?
All right, so I've got a couple of little bits here. I do mentalism, the kind of mind reading side of magic. We could do pick a card, sign it, that kind of thing. But I would rather you think of a card. Imagine you're going through a pack of cards and you just pull one card out. Now, you could pick something like the Ace of Spades. A lot of people would do that. But so you just nodded then, but I don't think you did that. You're holding a different card. Okay. Bane of my life is trying to find things in my pockets. Okay, I think you may have gone right the other way. Hold up your hand like you're a referee giving a card. What card are you thinking of right now? 2 of clubs. Flip that around and have a look.
I don't know how you do this. Show them the card. They look at the. I don't know how you do it. It is crazy. It's mad. I love it. It blows my mind though, because then I'm going to go in there thinking, how has he done this?
You're a fighter. This isn't my world at all. Ex-fighter.
I still like to do a bit. But.
Right. Okay. That's not my world at all. So I don't know that world. But I want you to imagine you're in a ring with someone. Now, you can pick anyone. This could have been, you could have gone someone from the past. You could have been someone from the future. You could have picked also, like, you could be thinking of like a celebrity or, look at that. You did it. Did you notice that? You did a very little slight shake of the head. You didn't go for some random celebrity now. I think you're really into challenging yourself, and so am I. Like, I really, we've spoken about ice baths and how we do this every morning. It's a ritual to go and do something really, really difficult. So I think that you would have actually put yourself in a ring with someone that would really challenge you.
How do you get this?
Oh, okay. As I said, I don't know this world.
If you get this, I am walking out.
Okay. Who would you like to be in a ring with?
I mean, I don't ever like it, but when you said challenge yourself, I think it'd be good. Tyson Fury.
Tyson Fury.
I don't get how you've done this. It's scary how you can. I just want to know how. I want to know how. That is insane. Mate, the stuff you do is absolutely brilliant. And I want to get you back on. It'd be good to put on like a bit of a. I'm still thinking, how have you got this?
Well, in 3 months' time, we'll do something a lot more intricate. I'll have a bit more time to prep
we
it.
got that? I do not know. I'm gonna go and tell the guys out there in a minute. But listen, James, it's been good having you on, mate.
No, thank you.
Still trying to think how you would have got that. It's doing my head in. But listen, this is what's your full name, James?
My real name is James Rayner. My stage name is James Fabulous. So my Instagram is James Fabulous. Website James Fabulous.
So go and hit him up, James Fabulous. If anybody who's here in Dubai, one hell of a magician and what is it, mentalist?
Mentalist, yeah.
A mentalist. Yeah. Like I say, some of the things he performs, as you've seen, blow my mind. I have not told him anything. I am not that. I swear on my kids' lives, I have not told him that. I don't know how he's done it, but it's crazy. So yeah, go and follow James Fabulous. If anybody is interested in joining an educational trading community, then hit us up. You can find me on Instagram, Blakey Trades, or you can just message me on YouTube, any other of my platforms, and we'll get you in the community, and where this community is built on trust and driven by results. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Brilliant. How the hell have you got that?
Oh, mate, I'm looking forward to the next time.